Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody gives me no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome peoples to Krissy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. In today's video, I will be reviewing a sandal for you guys, and you know, I'm super excited when I do these reviews because I love helping y'all out. When I tried to get these sandals, I didn't see any review on them, so here y'all go. If you are interested to see what this slide looks like, what this slide is, then just keep on watching. I will say when I was purchasing this slide, it was kind of like a learning moment for me because this is kind of like a brand off Valentino. So if you go on Saks off Fifth, you will realize there's two different kind of Valentinos. There's Valentino by Mario Valentino and there is Valentino Garavani. The sandals that I will be reviewing today is from Valentino by Mario Valentino. This brand started in Italy and it did come out before Valentino Garavani, and it had a lot of big name designers behind it before they actually started their fashion house. Definitely just go on Google and read up about, you know, the difference between Mario Valentino and Valentino Garavani and all that good stuff. But I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw that Saks Off Fifth was having a sale, and these slides specifically were on sale. I wanted to kind of expand my sandal collection because honestly I don't have that much, so I decided to get these. These are the Valentino by Mario Valentino CARRIE logo slides, and they were having them on sale. So I just got it today, so we will be unboxing and reviewing it in real time. So you guys will be getting my first impression on this sandal slash slides, I guess. So this is what the box looks like. We are going to open her up. So when we do, you know, she has the wrapping paper and everything, and we have our yellow tag, which pretty much just says Valentino shoes. And we have our little canvas bag. Now, if you shop a lot of designer or just like luxury items, you always get a little canvas bag, which is super good. I always keep mine because it is great for traveling and when you need to protect, you know, the product. So that is great. And it literally just has the, you know, the logo on there. And I love the black, you know, sleek. So if we continue to open her up, then we have this little card right here which says Valentino shoes made in Italy, and if you pop out this yellow thing, it's just a cute little trifold booklet that just, I guess, tells you, you know, the material. Dear customer, thank you for your purchase. Our products are made with care by Italian craftsmanship and so forth. So, you know, it's cute, it's giving something. So we are going to open her up to take a look at her. But before we do, I'm going to read. We are going to read the detailing of these shoes. I'm going to give you guys a quick little specs, and I'm going to look at my phone and read the details to you guys because I do not want to misinform you guys. So I'm going to take out one pair. So this is what she looks like. Okay, I have some comments, but we're gonna wait. So this is Valentino by Mario Valentino. It is the CARRIE logo slides. It retails for about $369, but currently it is on sale for $179.99. You get 51% off. They have it in 3 different colors. They have it in cream, brown, and black. Originally, I wanted it in cream because I thought the cream was just super cute, but those were sold out. So I decided to get a brown because I do not have, you know, a nice little brown sandal that has a little, you know, oomph. So I decided to get it. But the brown does not have a lot of like variety pictures on the website like the cream does. So in that aspect, I didn't like it, and I'm going to explain why. Let me just read the product details for you real quick, and then I'll jump into the shoe. So the details of these shoes: it is a monogram print leather slide adorned with a logo plaque. It says leather upper. It is open toe, slip-on style, leather lining, leather and synthetic sole, and it is made in Italy. Guys, if I'm struggling to talk, it's because I'm recovering from a cold and I still sound a little stuffy. So just bear with me, okay guys? But yeah, pretty much that is all the detailing on the shoe. So I'm just going to go in and review it for you guys real quick because I do have some stuff to say about it. So they did say that the upper part that comes over your feet, and I'm assuming the sole, are both leather, and the bottom part I'm assuming is the synthetic part. It does kind of look synthetic, if I'm being honest, and it does come with, I want to say, like half an inch of an heel, not too high, which I think is nice. You know, it makes it look a little bit more dressier, and it comes with the logo plaque on top. So I did not realize that the logo plaque would be brown on the inside and have the rose gold detailing around the side, because for some reason I'm not feeling the brown in it. I don't know if it's because the browns are slightly different, it's like throwing it off. And then the logo print that is inside the brown is a gold bronzy color, and then they added a rose gold finish, which sometimes it's cool to like mix, you know, finishes like that and colors, but for me it's not my favorite, if I'm being quite honest. So it's not my favorite. I didn't know it had the brown on top, or the brown would look like this, because in the picture, in the cream one, it does show that it was like a little light, but it looked better, at least in the product picture. But for this one, it did not have a product picture for the top, just like one from the side. So it's very hard to kind of like see in detail how the shoe would look. But nonetheless, I decided it was cute and I wanted to try it, expand my, you know, my sandal collection, because I don't really have much sandals. So let me take this out real quick. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. You have the Valentino made in Italy on the heel part of the shoe. And what I do also realize with this shoe is that it is very narrow. The insole and the heel part of the shoe, it kind of has a little curve going on, a little curvature going on, and this part is very narrow. So I'm wondering if it's going to fit my feet. I will say people with wide feet may need to size up. I did get a size 8 in this. I want to say I wear a size 7 to an 8, 8.5. It just depends on the shoes. In sandals, I can wear anything from like 7.5 to 8. I don't like going 9 because I do not want my shoe to be like too big. So if they have it in half a size, I'll go 8.5. They only have like solid size, just like 7, 8. So I got it in an 8, so hopefully it can fit. I don't think my feet are that wide, so hopefully it will work out. But I will say, if you have wide feet, maybe sizing up a bit, or if you want your feet to be like, I guess, tight, I guess working it in might work. Say I feel like the bottom of the shoe is going to be slippery when you walk, but I will have to actually walk on like a tile and like a slippery floor to see if it actually has grip. So that part I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely going to show you guys the unfeet sizing and how it fits my feet, and tell you guys if it is comfortable or not. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. So much for watching my video. That is it for this unboxing and review. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Krissy, and I am signing out. Later.